going to show you, for those of you that are looking for some cheap street food, cheap eats in this premium area of Kuta, right next to the beach. How much is these?
15.
15?
15.
15. It's not doing any at the moment. There's the Parkers doing some performance for us. So there's your options available at the first one. Nice little. How much is it?
This?
Yes.
The price 25.
Oh, look at that. Wow. How much is the bakso? 15. 50. Some little food packages again. This is chicken again and rice. He sells all the drinks also as well for 5,000 to 6,000. And then here you have some little packages available to you. Here's the... Hello, how are you? These are for the offerings, yeah?
Yeah.
Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So I'm here today in Kuta, and just behind me is the famous Beach Walk shopping mall here in Kuta. However, I'm not going to take you shopping today. I'm going to show you, for those of you that are looking for some cheap street food, cheap eats in this premium area of Kuta, right next to the beach. I'm going to show you a whole host of little stalls alongside this road that runs right along Beach Walk shopping mall and right along Kuta beach. I'm going to show you a huge array of little stalls selling local food at really great prices for this area. So without any further ado, let's walk across the street and I'm going to show you these little street food stalls. So here's the Beach Walk shopping mall. It's Sunday, so it's quite a busy day, and then if you go just across the street here, you've got a whole host of little stalls that are selling food. Some nice artwork just outside of Beach Walk. So it's a little bit crazy because on one side here you have the more mid-range to upper range food options and Beach Walk all along this area here. And then if we cut just across the street, we've got budget options. So there's your options available at the first one. Nice little collection. Cooks the food on there, on the hot plate, the grill, the charcoal grill. So this is actually the parking area as well for motorbikes that usually actually park here and then go into the Beach Walk, because the Beach Walk parking is underground and it's a bit complicated and a little bit difficult, so people tend to park the motorbike here. Motorbike parking here is 2,000 rupiah. Many of the parkers, the guys in blue jackets, they're probably going to ask you for 5,000. Remember, it's 2,000 rupiah. You have a bakso store here. How much is the bakso? 15,000 for the bakso. And nasi, how much is the nasi goreng? 20. So that's 15 for the bakso and 20 if you want nasi goreng. And you have a satay babi here. He's going to cook the little sticks of satay there on the charcoal. He's not doing any at the moment. And here's the price. Next along the line is a fried chicken. How much is the chicken? How much is it?
This?
Yes.
With rice 25.
With rice 25. Okay, so chicken with rice there is 25,000. Just have a great little collection. There's many all the way up. Have a guy here selling you fresh corn. How much is these?
15.
15.
15.
15.
15. 10 and 5.
15,000 for the sweet corn here, guys. And you can also get coffees as well and drinks. Another bakso stall here. Chicken bakso. Oh, look at that. Wow. How much is the bakso, sir?
Yeah, bakso.
How much is it?
You can ask to... Berapa?
Excuse me, madam, how much is the bakso?
How much? Berapa?
One porsi, but the normal porsi 15 or 15.
15. Okay. So the bakso here, just for the meatballs in the bag, is 15. If you want with egg, it's 20. And if you want with egg and noodles, it's 25. And here you have another stall selling some little food packages again. This is chicken again and rice. A little tin man, that's 10,000. You have the nasi ayam jingo in these little leaf packets here at 6,000. He sells all the drinks also as well for 5,000 to 6,000 depending on which one you have. Hello brother, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Good, good.
Yeah.
Another one here just selling. Again, lots of drinks available here. These are fruit drinks, many flavours. And then here you have some little packets of snacks. There's the Parkers doing some performance for us. Oh la la. So you can see it's very difficult motorbike parking here. This area is always usually full. Because like I say, people, that's, if you go into Beach Walk, that's the parking down there. So most people just park all along here rather than go down to the bottom of the Beach Walk. Just have a lot of stores selling the same sort of thing. The pot maize, all the drinks, coffees. And then not on this side of the road, I'm just going to cross across the other side because I've just seen a place for fresh juice, so I might as well show you that while we're here. So here you have a little place called Nada Fresh Fruit and Juice. You can see they've got a whole array of juice options available to you. So ranging from 10 to 25,000. Drinks here, and he also does a fruit bowl as well. Sliced mixed fruit, 30,000. And he's got fried rice and fried noodle as well. So this place is just across the road from where we've been looking of all the little market stalls. So it's like two contrasts. On that side of the street you have the more expensive options, with the exception of the little fruit juice place what we've just shown you. You have all the nice restaurants all the way along there. There's a huge array of restaurants within inside of Beach Walk that you can get some nice food from. And then on this side, on the beach side, on just next to the entrance to the beach, you've basically got a huge array of local little warung stalls selling all local goods, food at very cheap prices. So what we'll do while we're at the stalls as well is we'll just take you and show you this section of Kuta Beach opposite Beach Walk shopping mall, and right next to the little warungs what we've just shown you as well. Oh, this is Kuta Beach. The ladies here, I believe. Hello, how are you? These are for the offerings, yeah?
Yeah, rice color.
Yes, I see these on the street, yeah?
Yes, 5 color, red,
Okay.
white.
Have a good day, ladies. Thank you. And this is Kuta Beach. Wow, there's a lot of people surfing over there. Have some local little places as well also at the back that you can get usually drinks and some snacks from. Here's the drinks available: Bintang, Sinaraja, Smirnoff, and then you can usually seat in on the sun lounges or these table and chairs, and then you sit there for free as long as you're buying the drinks. So basically how it works here on the beach, if you're buying the drinks and food and things from the stalls at the back of the beach, they usually provide you the seating on the beach, whether it be sun lounges or seating. You don't usually pay additional for that. They usually provide you that as long as you stay buying drinks and buying food here on the beach. So there is a lot of work going on at this Kuta beach at the moment. They're just installing a path, however it doesn't appear to be up to this section of the beach as of yet. Further down I've seen sections of the beach, further up that way I've seen further sections of the path. However, they don't seem to have installed the pathway here yet, so it's a little bit in disarray, but nonetheless everything's still normal and operating. There's plenty of places that you can get food, snacks, drinks from along the back of the beach. Okay, so that concludes my little tour of this section of cheap eats, street food, however you want to call it for you. It's absolutely great. Like I say, this is a great area if you're looking for cheap food in a premium area. There's a great array of options on this side of the street. You've got these options, what I've shown you here, on the roadside, and you can also just walk through the gates to the beach, and you've also got a few options as well running along the back of the beach. If you cross over the other side of the roads, prepare to get your credit card out, and you're going to have to spend a little bit more money because the restaurants on that side of the road are a lot more established restaurants. They're big places and they have a more premium price tag attached to them. So I just wanted to share this place with you, give you guys an option of the cheap eats street food here in a premium location. So glad to share this place with you. Hope this video is of some use to you, and I shall say bye for now.